Welcome to our latest tutorial on WhatsApp, where we're going to show you a super useful feature that can help you keep important messages right at your fingertips. Today, we're talking about how to pin a message in WhatsApp for 7 days. This feature is perfect for keeping reminders, important links, or key pieces of information easily accessible without having to scroll through long conversations. First things first, open your WhatsApp app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so you can access all the latest features. Once WhatsApp is open, navigate to the chat where the message you want to pin is located. This could be a personal chat or a group chat. Either way, the steps are the same. Now, locate the specific message you want to pin. This could be a text message, an image, or even a poll. Once you've found it, long tap on the message until a menu appears. This will highlight the message and give you a few options to work with. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots there. This is the menu icon. Tap on these 3 dots to open up more options for the message you've selected. From the menu that appears, select Pin. This will give you the option to choose how long you want the message to stay pinned. WhatsApp allows you to pin messages for 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. For this tutorial, we're going to choose 7 days. Once you've selected the 7-day option, tap Pin again to confirm. You'll immediately see the message appear as a banner at the top of your chat, just below the contact or group name. This means it's now pinned and will stay there for the next 7 days unless you unpin it manually. Pinning messages is a great way to keep important information visible without having to dig through long conversations. Plus, everyone in the chat will get a notification that you've pinned a message, so they can easily access it too. That's it. With these simple steps, you can keep your most important messages right where you need them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps, and other